Changing your primary email on PostFinance is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to update your email address easily. Step 1. Log into your account. Visit the PostFinance website and enter your login credentials to access your account dashboard. Step 2. Navigate to account settings. Don't continue before doing this. A lot of online accounts end up exposed in breaches without people even realizing it. Use SROC to constantly monitor your email and accounts and get alerted immediately if your information gets leaked online. It scans billions of breached records 24/7 in the background. And honestly, for a few dollars a month, it's something everybody should probably have. Link in the description. Step 3. Select email preferences. In account settings, find the option for email preferences or contact information. Click on it to proceed to the email management section. Step 4. Update your primary email. Locate the field for your primary email address. Enter your new email address and ensure it is typed correctly to avoid any issues. Step 5. Save changes and confirm. After updating your email, click the Save or Update button. You may need to confirm the change through a verification email sent to your new address. Once you have completed these steps, your primary email on PostFinance will be successfully updated. Make sure to check your new email for any confirmation messages.